Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we will see how to fix Safari not loading web pages, slow browsing or slow downloading on iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first troubleshooting is we have to go to settings, then tap on mobile or cellular data, scroll down and we have to make sure that Safari is unable under mobile or cellular data. If already unable, then disable, wait for a few seconds and enable again. Then we have to go back to settings, tap on Wi-Fi if you are using Wi-Fi. Then tap on I symbol in front of the connected Wi-Fi. Then we have to tap on configure IP and here we have to make sure that automatic is select. If you select manual, then delete the manual IP address and select the automatic. Next troubleshoot is go back to settings, scroll, find and tap on Safari. And under Safari we have to tap clear history and website data and tap again clear history and data to confirm. Then we have to tap on advanced and tap on website data and delete all website data from Safari. The next troubleshooting is we have to go back to settings, tap on general. Here we have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. Here we have to make sure one more thing, you have a stable and strong internet connection and it's better restart your Wi-Fi router. Troubleshoot is force close all the app data running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. What we have to do, launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space, and after check that we have to tap on software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. That's it. Hopefully friends you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.